Coming to the trigonometric identities, first thing we are going into the basics. The first identity is sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. But how it comes? Just observe. Suppose there is a triangle. Let I say this is a triangle in which, let I say, this is A, B, C, and this angle is A or theta, you can say. Now in this case, if I say the sine theta, what is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. That means it is BC upon AC. Whereas if I say it is cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. That is nothing but AD upon AC. But we know basic thing. What we know? We know that for a right angle triangle, according to Pythagoras theorem, dear friends, sum of the side squares, that is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Let I divide whole this equation by AC square. If I divide this equation by AC square, what will happen? Let's check. AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equal to AC square upon AC square. So what will happen? This will get cancelled. That is nothing but 1. But it is AB square upon AC square is what? AB upon AC square. But AB upon AC is what? It is cos theta. So it is cos square theta plus, again check what is BC upon AC. So BC upon AC is sine theta. So here I can put the value of BC upon AC. So I can say this is sine square theta. And therefore we come to the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So after going from sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, just see this identity. We will derive the number of identities from this. Just I say, divide this equation by sine square A. If you divide this equation by sine square A, just check what will happen. I am saying it is a sine square A. Divide each and every term by sine square A. So what it will become? Sine square upon sine square is 1. Cos square upon sine square. Yes, anyone? What is cos square upon sine square? That is nothing but cot square. So it is a cot square A, and 1 upon sine square S becomes C. Already I said, so it becomes cosec square A. So this is the second identity. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square A. Same thing. I again write the same equation. We know that sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So if I say sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and if I divide similarly this equation by cos square, so what will happen? Cos square A, divide each and every term by cos square A. After dividing it by cos square A, just check sine upon cos is tan. So what it gives? It gives me tan square A plus cos square upon cos square is 1, and 1 upon cos is what? Sec. So that is sec square A, and hence you can say 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. Here I am observing sine square 63 plus sine square 27 upon cos square 17 plus cos square 73. First thing I know, previous to this we have seen one more parameter, that is sine of 90 minus theta. Dear friends, we have seen in the previous exercise, sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. One more thing we have just seen, that is sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So what I will try to do in this case, I will try to convert this equation into sine square plus cos square, but both should be a, that is sine square A plus cos square A. So what I will do, I will convert this 63 into 27, because here 27 is there. So I can say sine of 63, that is sine of 63 is what? Sine of 90 minus 27, because 90 minus 27 is 63. So that is equal to cos of 27, because we have just written here sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So I can rewrite this equation as cos square 27 plus sine square 27. Same thing in the denominator. If you observe, it is a cos square 17 plus cos square 73. I write this cos square 73 in a cos 73 in a different way. Let us say it is a cos of 90 minus 17, because 90 minus 17 is 73. So that is equal to sine of 17. Why? Because I know cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So again, in the denominator, I can say it is a cos square 17 plus sine square 17. Now what the thing is, sine square plus cos square is 1. So numerator becomes 1, denominator becomes 1. And hence, in this case, the answer of this question also, the question is sine 25 cos 65 plus cos 25 sine 65. What I will try to do, here it is a sine 25. I will try to convert this into sine. So I know that cos of 90 minus theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So it is a cos of 90 minus 25 is equal to cos of 90 minus 25, that is 65, is equal to sine theta. So it is a sine 25. So what will happen? This is sine 25 already. आणि cos 65 ला मी काय केलं, cos of 90 minus 25, कारण 65 is 90 minus 25, so it also becomes sine 25 plus cos of 25. Cos of 25 I write it as it is, and sine of 65 I write it as what? Cos of 90 minus theta. मी डायरेक्टली लिहितो आता मित्रांनो, दरवेळी ते हे लिहिण्यापेक्षा. So what it becomes? Cos of 90 minus 25. Yes, no, हो म्हणतील लोक आता. असं नाहीये. ते काय आहे? This is what? This is cos of what? Yes, anyone? So I will go step by step. Sine of 90 minus 25. So what I will write? It is cos 25 into, here it also becomes sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So what it becomes? Sine square 25 plus cos into cos, cos square. So sine square plus cos square, that is equal to 1. So again, the answer for this question is also 1. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Take out 9 common, so it becomes sec square a minus tan square a. But we know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and hence sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So putting this value in the equation, we get 9 in the bracket 1, that is answer 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We want to find the value of this. So I just simplify it. 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta plus sec is 1 upon cos, so it is a 1 upon cos theta. 1 plus, it is cos theta upon sine theta minus 1 upon cosec will become sine, s becomes c becomes s, so it is a sine theta. So now the denominator, I just make the denominator same. So it is, here it is 1. I multiply the numerator and denominator by cos. So what will it will become? Cos theta. So it is a cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. I have multiplied by cos. So whole denominator will become cos theta. Another one, same thing. I will multiply here by sine. So it will become sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta. Thereafter, the thing is very simple. I will just make one thing. If you observe, let I say this is A and this is B. Same thing, this is A and this is B. But the first bracket is A plus B and second one is A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So what it will become? It will become A square minus B square, that is cos theta plus sine theta bracket square minus 1, that is A square minus B square upon sine theta into cos theta. But dear friends, one more thing, whenever I am expanding, what I will get, a plus b चा square काय असतो? A plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta, minus 1 will be as it is, whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. But again, the same, similar to that, you can say sin square plus cos square is 1, and 1 minus this one is equal to 0. So what remains in the numerator is 2 sin theta cos theta. In the numerator it becomes 2 sin theta upon cos theta, and in the denominator it is only sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta cos theta will get cancelled, and you will get answer of this question as sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Prove that it is equal to cos a. Just see here, what is sec? Sec is nothing but 1 upon cos. So I write here 1 upon cos a plus this is sin a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a. ज्यांनी आधी प्रॉब्लेम इथपर्यंत बघितला त्याला उत्तर इथंच कळालं असेल का? The denominator same आहे, so numerator should be added. It is 1 plus sin a, आणि हा काय आहे 1 minus sin a whole divided by काय आहे cos a. But 1 minus 1 plus sin 1 minus sin a plus b a minus b काय येतं 1 minus sin square a upon cos a, but 1 minus sin square is cos square, so it is a cos square a upon cos a, and that is equal to cos a. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta bracket square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. I will just convert into the simple terms, so I will say cosec theta is nothing but 1 upon sin theta minus cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta whole bracket square. So it will become 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta bracket square. As the denominator is same, I have just added the numerator or subtracted. So 1 minus cos theta, I keep it as it is. It is 1 minus cos theta bracket square upon sin theta is nothing but sin square theta. Okay, so I come to the next point. Whenever I say 1 minus cos theta, I write the bracket 2 times. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. लिहायचं असेल तर दोनदा लिहा, एकदा लिहिलं तरी चालेल, काही घेणं नाही. पण sin square theta काय आहे मित्रांनो? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So here I can say it is a 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta upon, here it is a square minus b square. So I can write it in two ways. 1 minus cos theta, that is a minus b, and a plus b, that is 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta will get cancelled, and I'm getting the answer as 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus